on this episode of Doorbell News.
Hey.
Hey.
How's it going?
I'm sorry.
What are you doing?
Laura, I gotta go to the hospital. Are you alright? No.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Looks like she forgot to take her dumpsters out last night. Testing California. Check these guys out. Check out this footage of a turkey knocking at somebody's door. That turkey obviously doesn't know what time of year it is. That turkey's just asking to be cooked. Brooklyn, New York, caught in the act.
Hey.
Hey.
How's it going?
I'm sorry.
What are you doing?
I just needed
What are
a
you doing?
bag.
Huh?
I just needed a bag.
Why are you going into my stuff?
I said I was sorry.
It's a little weird though, no?
I said I was sorry.
I know you said sorry, but it's a little bizarre, no? Did you take anything else?
No, would you like to check?
Huh?
Would you like to check?
Would I like to check? It's fucking weird, man.
Totally fucking weird.
Totally fucking weird.
Oh, guess what?
Guess what? You're weird.
Yes, I am.
Yeah? You're stealing shit. That's what you're doing.
You're stealing shit out of her bag. Out of her fucking bag.
Arcade's food?
Why don't you lock this?
I did lock it.
It wasn't.
It was locked.
No, it's not.
Honey, it was locked.
No, it's not.
Honey, it was locked.
Well, it's gone.
She took the lock.
She took the lock.
Yeah, she took the lock.
I fucking can't take this. Listen. She took her lock?
No, it's right there.
Where?
It's right here.
Well, it wasn't locked. You have to lock it to the side.
I thought I did. I was rushing.
Can you believe this person?
Phoenix, Arizona. We got a snooper here. Yeah. Get lost! Mount Morris, Michigan.
Get the fuck on, bro. I see everything. That's what you ain't know. I'm about to call the police on y'all red asses. Call 911. Somebody trying to break in my house?
Omaha, Nebraska. So this DoorDash driver decides to take something off this neighbor's porch after dropping off a food delivery. Hey, put that back. Phoenix, Arizona.
Stop! Stop! Let me go! Let me go! Ow! What the fuck is wrong with you?
That's why you always gotta watch your back while you enter your home at nighttime. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
Why are you stealing my stuff? Put my shit back. Put my shit back.
That's some nice driving. St. Louis, Missouri. So this guy's walking around with a pig's head. Was that some type of Halloween toy or something? Santa Monica, California. What are you doing, bro? It's not a card reader. Get lost!
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Miami, Florida. Can't even leave plants outside anymore.
Open the door.
Homestead, Florida. Check her out.
Hello? Hello?
Oh, wait, hold on. Wait a second. We're having technical
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing, man? How can I help you?
Oh, we're having technical difficulties. Come to the door, it's an emergency.
Hey, leave that alone. Leave that alone.
Mommy. Boy.
Right.
Open now.
You don't know who that is?
You know who I am. Open the fucking door.
Hey, what are you? How can I help you?
Wow. Speaking. One at a time. Open the door.
Go. Get it. I'm gonna call the police.
That's my chair.
Bye.
That's my chair.
Meanwhile, in Miami, this guy's back for more plants. Flint, Michigan. Better stay inside the house. Yeah, this was going down in Flint, Michigan. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Check this guy out.
Hey,
Delivery?
delivery for what?
La Quinta, California. Can't even leave Christmas decorations outside anymore. Queens, New York. So this guy walks up with a Jimmy and tries to get inside of somebody's garage. Meanwhile, in Tustin, these guys run off with a neighbor's Gucci bag. Meanwhile, in Miami, this guy's cleaning out all the plants. Meanwhile, in Queens, this guy's still out there jimmying his garage open. So this lady comes by to drop off a gift. But from the sounds of it, sounds like this neighbor doesn't have control of their dogs. Let's see what happens.
Hang on.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Oh my God. I gotta get out of this. Laura, I gotta go to the hospital. Are you alright? No.
St. Louis, Missouri. Looks like the boys are trying to catch up with somebody. I hear a chopper in the background. Yeah.
There's a dog in the next car.
Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.